Everybody, it's Michael. So closed captions, you can see I'm using them. I like to use them as often as possible. They are a vital accessibility tool. That's all there is to it. The hosts need to enable this before the meeting starts so that you can start it up. But when it's available for your audience, it's right here at the bottom. You'll see the CC. And in there, you can see the option to hide the subtitles. I'm not going to do that. And then also view a full transcript of your meeting, and that'll pop up as a side window. And you can always go to your subtitle settings. And of course, that's going to bring you up to the same setting menu we always know and love with everything else on it. Your general settings, your audio, video, accessibility being at the bottom. Okay, so that's it. Very, very important. Please, hosts, check before you start your meetings and make sure you've got closed captions enabled for your audience. Okay, so that's it. Leave a comment if you want to tell me what you think. And until later, have fun and learn.